Compact mirrorless and point-and-shoot cameras capable of shooting 4K video are becoming more and more commonplace, but most of them suffer from one major flaw when it comes to video: the lack of a microphone input. For sound, you're restricted to using the onboard microphones, which are very prone to wind noise distortion. And this usually leaves you with an audio track which is completely unusable. One option is to use an external audio recorder and sync the audio to the video in post, but this requires a bit of extra work. There is another option though. The Micromuff Skinny is basically a tiny rectangular dead cat designed to fit over the onboard microphones on compact cameras to reduce wind noise. Inside the box you get the Micromuff itself. It has a Velcro backing so it can be removed from the camera when you're not using it. There's also a small instruction sheet, a sticker, and two Velcro pads with an adhesive backing to stick to the camera. The first problem that I encountered when trying to attach this to my Lumix GX80 was that there wasn't enough space around the microphones to attach the Velcro pad without either covering the hot shoe mount or overlapping at the front. Since I rarely use the hot shoe, I decided to just attach the pad over the top, but I still had to cut away part of the pad that was overlapping at the front of the camera. With the Micromuff attached and my camera now resembling a boxing promoter, it was time to do some audio tests on a very windy day at the beach. So, as you could probably hear from the audio tests, the Micromuff does significantly reduce the audible distortion produced by wind noise, but it's not going to work miracles, and when there is a strong gust of wind you still do hear a bit of distortion. In the first scene, for example, without the Micromuff, the wind noise is the only thing you can hear, and it obscures everything else, while with the Micromuff, although the wind noise is still audible, you can at least hear the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. In places where the wind wasn't as strong, the Micromuff was more effective, sometimes completely eliminating the wind noise altogether. If you want perfect high quality audio for your video, and you don't have a microphone input, then an external audio recorder is clearly the best option. But the Micromuff definitely reduces noise from strong wind and can completely eliminate it in situations where the wind isn't as strong. At around £13, it's a very inexpensive way of improving your audio and giving you an audio track that is actually usable in situations where maybe it otherwise wouldn't have been. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.